Chat! Woo! Oh my god. Oh my god, is everything working? 1, 2, 3. Hey, let me check. Mic is good, right? You hear me, right? Yeah. Oh, absolutely perfect. Welcome everybody to this goddamn stream, bro. It's been a long time, in my opinion, for last time we streamed. But man, oh man, we started freaking analytic chemistry and quantum mechanics, bro. And let me get this straight. It's gonna whoop my ass so bad. Like, analytic chemistry. Oh my god, it's so rough, and like quantum mechanics just want me to rip my eyes out and shove it up my yeah. So but we're here to stream, have fun, and learn some new. But yeah, I just finished my lectures and theoretical exercises with my group, and so yeah, honestly, so glad I'm here with you, chat. Hopefully you're all doing well. How's your weekend been? Hopefully it's been well. And today this stream is gonna be a little reading stream plus a workshop of my new video that is gonna be upcoming, which is about what is it called? Cyclohexanes and chair conformations. Yeah. So stay tuned for that. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be good. But yeah. Honestly, I really needed to like stream because gotta get that grind up. You know what I'm saying? Just like the grind is going on and on and on and on, and posting videos and everything, man. And just it's going good. But now hopefully the stress doesn't catch up and eat me alive. But yeah, we're almost at 50 freaking subscribers. Like, what the hell, man? 50. I remember since we were literally at 35 or something. Like, we're almost at 50 already. So it's only a matter of time that we're gonna reach the top of the top together. But 50 subscribers, that's a lot of people. Like, that's 50 people are in a like in a box or like in a group or in a freaking classroom just watching you stream. So that's a lot. Or like watching your content and enjoying it. So I really appreciate all those 50, nearly 50, if you want to round it up, you feel me? All those 50 people, I really appreciate it with all my heart. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for enjoying my chemistry content, hopefully my streams. And yeah, I'm just getting better every day. Every day it goes. Feel me? But yeah, like I said, the new video is about cyclohexanes and chair conformations, and I have some pages to read in quantum mechanics about the postulates and wave functions. So we're gonna get in the freaking nice quantum mechanics. We're gonna dive in deep. We're gonna dive in rough. Hold on, wait a minute. But yeah, it's gonna be good. So yeah, let's just get started and just read some shit. Honestly, the freaking Alright, so the emergence of quantum theory, baby. Alright. Need some water or else I'm gonna get like dry throat, right? I think I'm gonna stream for like when it hits I think 2 hours is fine. 2 hours is fine. And then after I'm gonna go to the gym and get some good protein and get some good muscle training. So yeah, I'm also back with that, back in the grind, eating more, on my bulk, all that shit, bro. So yeah, we are locked in, and we're definitely gonna pass this freaking course, hopefully. Like quantum mechanics, bro, pain in the ass, bro. Anyway, yeah, okay, fine. Everybody here, the emergence of quantum theory. Now, it's gonna get spicy. As science developed during the late 19th century, it was thought that the internal structure of the atoms and the newly discovered electron could be expressed using classical mechanics, the laws of motion concerning mass, force, speed, and acceleration. I read that completely wrong. Like, introduced in the 17th century by Isaac Newton. My goat! My goat! My goat! My goat! However, towards the end of the century and early in the 20th century, experimental evidence accumulated showing that classical mechanics failed when it was applied to particles as small as electrons. In this topic, we describe blah 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 blah. Shut the hell up, bro. Alright, the quantizations of energy. According to classical mechanics, the energy of a body can be continually varied. A pendulum, for instance, I had to burp, can possess any energy by starting it to swing from any angle. In particular, it was thought that the oscillators responsible for the emission and absorption of the electromagnetic radiation by a hot body could also take any energy. I need to mute myself because every time I read, I just listen to myself, like my dumb voice. So, where was I? In that case, however, it turned out not to be the case. The characteristic of the radiation could be explained only if they assume that their energy is confused to discrete values. In due course, it was established in this quantization of energy was a universal phenomenon. Yeah. Whoa, okay. Okay, the black body radiation. It is common experience that a heated metal bar glows red when heated. At high temperatures, an appreciated proportion in the visible region of the electromagnetic spectrum, and as the temperature is increased, more short wavelength blue light is generated. The red-hot iron bar begins to glow white-hot when heated further. The formal experimental investigation of this type of observation makes use of the empty container with a pinhole to allow radiation to escape and be analyzed. So figure 4.1 shows the experimental position of a black body is in a pinhole and otherwise closed container. The radiation is reflected many times when within the container and comes to thermal equilibrium within the walls. Radiation leaking out through the pinhole is characteristic of the radiation within this container. Alright. When the container is heated, radiation is absorbed and re-emitted inside it so many times as it is reflected around that it comes to thermal equilibrium with the walls before leaking out of the pinhole. This system is good approximation of a black body, an object capable of emitting and absorbing all wavelengths and radiation uniformly. Okay. Where was I? Figure 4.2 shows how the energy output of the black body radiation varies with wavelength at different temperatures. The energy output is expressed as its spectral density of states. Okay, phi and lambda and T. Alright. The energy density of the electromagnetic radiation emitted at wavelength between lambda and lambda plus d lambda and the temperature T. The energy density is the energy in the specified range divided by the volume enclosed by the black body. The observation that the maximum of pi phi moves to shorter wavelengths as the temperature is raised is summarized by Wien's displacement law. So lambda max times T, or temperature, equals constant. So the empirical value of the constant is 2.9 mmK. Okay. One of the most challenging problems at the end of the 19th century was to explain the behavior observed in figure 4.2. Lord Rayleigh, what a name! Lord Rayleigh using his expertise in classical physics, derived the expression for pi or phi or whatever. What is that? I don't remember. By imagining the electromagnetic field as a collection of oscillators. Okay, you want it to be fucking black? Alright. Oscillators of all possible frequency, and using the classical equipartition theorem, topic 2, of the average energy of each oscillator. He regraded the presence of radiation and frequency. So, and wavelength lambda equals C divided by V, as signifying that the electromagnetic oscillator of the frequency had been excited. With minor help of James Jeans, he arrived at the Rayleigh-Jeans law. Okay, now they're just making up. Now they're just making up words. Like, what the hell is this form? Okay, so, alright, I'm not gonna, okay, yeah. Where K is the Boltzmann constant. Boltzmann sounds cool though. Constant. Okay, so K equals 1.38. Okay. Although the Rayleigh-Jeans law is quite successfully at long wavelength low frequency, it fails badly at short wavelength, so high frequency. All right. So when a wavelength is long, it's low frequency. When a wavelength is short, then it has high frequency. Predicting that the lambda decreases, phi increases without bond, therefore oscillators of very short wavelength corresponding to ultraviolet radiation, X-rays, and even gamma rays are strongly excited even at room temperature, according to the absurd result, which is called the ultraviolet catastrophe. Even cool. Oh, ultraviolet catastrophe. Catastrophe. Oh, catastrophe. Okay. Even cool objects should radiate in the visible and ultraviolet regions. In 1900, the German physicist Max Planck found that he could account for the form of phi by proposing that the energy of each electromagnetic oscillator is limited to discrete values. That suggestion contradicts the viewpoint of classical physics, in which all possible energies are allowed. The limitation of energies to discrete values is called the quantization of energy. In particular, Planck found that he could account for the observed disputation of energies if he supposed that the permitted energies of an electromagnetic oscillator of frequency V are integer multiples of HV. So E equals NHV equals, okay. Where H is the fundamental constant known as Planck's constant. So he just basically made a constant for himself. What a narcissist. Anyway, on the basis of this supposition, Planck was able to derive the Planck distribution. Alright, so this is Planck. Holy shit. Did Planck like smoke crack or when making this? Like, that's a lot of freaking. Okay. The expression fits the experimental curve very well at all wavelengths if h, which is undetermined parameter in the theory, has a value of 6.62. Okay. It is easy to understand why Planck's approach avoided the ultraviolet catastrophe. According to high physicists, oscillators are excited only if they can acquire an energy of at least hV. This energy is too large for the walls of the black body to supply in the case of very high frequency oscillators, so they can remain unexcited. The Planck distribution reduces to the Rayleigh-Jeans law in the limit of long wavelengths, where the classical expression is successful at explaining the observed energy distribution of the blackbody radiator. For a long wavelength, okay, hc divided by lambda kt, and the denominator can be replaced by, okay, I'm not reading all that. Where we have used the expression Ex equals 1 plus x plus the Planck distribution, therefore reduces to this one. Which is Rayleigh-Jeans law. However, at short wavelengths at the Planck distribution avoids the ultraviolet catastrophe of the classical physics because EHC is faster than the lambda of 5 equals 0 to 0, and therefore phi is 0 as lambda is 0. In addition to Planck's distribution can be used to derive Wien's displacement law and to show that the constant in equation 4.1 is equal to AC. Okay. Alright. How much is there? Alright, that some oscillators responsible for the emission of absorption of radiation are not present in isolated atoms and molecules. This conclusion is consistent with the existence of photons, which are particles of electromagnetic radiation. As will be developed later in this topic, a photon is a radiation of frequency v possessed energy hv. Therefore, the observation of a photon of frequency v in the radiation emitted by atom indicates that the atom has lost the energy of hv. This conclusion is summarized by the Bohr frequency condition, where delta E is the change of energy of the atom. The observation of the discrete values of V then implies that the change in energy of the atom can take place only in discrete steps. That in turn implies that the atom can possess only discrete energies. All right. Spectroscopy. Okay. By additional evidence, the energy is quantized comes from spectroscopy. The detection and analysis of the electromagnetic radiation absorbed, emitted, or scattered by a substance. Two typical atomic emission and molecular absorption spectra are shown in figure 4.6 and 7. Okay. The obvious feature of both is the radiation is emitted or absorbed at the series of discrete wavelengths or frequencies. the observation of discrete spectral lines rather than the continuum of emission characteristics of a black body suggests what? Suggest. Am I? Okay. Mass is treated like a particle, however, the fundamental distinction between these two concepts has to be discarded when more experimental information about the behavior of electromagnetic radiation and electrons was accumulated at the beginning of the 20th century. The photoelectric effect. The photoelectric effect is the injection of electrons from metals when they're exposed to visible or ultraviolet radiation. The experimental characteristics of the effect are no electrons are ejected regardless of intensity of the radiation unless the frequency of the radiation exceeds a threshold value characteristic of the metal. The kinetic energy of the ejected electrons increases linearly with the frequency of the incident radiation, but is independent of the intensity of the radiation. Even at low light intensities, electrons are ejected if the frequency is above the threshold. Okay. I don't think I need to rehearse all this shit. Yeah, I can just read this, then I can. Alright. A black body is an object capable of emitting and absorbing all wavelengths and radiation uniformly. Okay. Uniformly. The spectral distribution of energy output of the blackbody emitter is explained by assuming that the energies of the oscillators giving rise to the electromagnetic radiation are quantized. Spectroscopy. The detection and analysis of the electromagnetic radiation absorbed, emitted, or scattered by a substance provides evidence for quantization of energy in particles. The photoelectric effect is the ejection of the electrons from the metal when they are exposed to ultraviolet radiation. A beam of electromagnetic radiation can be treated both as a collection of propagating waves and as collection of particles called photons, each with energy hv. Diffraction experiments reveal that electrons and matter in general possess wave-like properties. Wave-particle duality is the joint particle and wave character of matter and radiation. Okay. Oh yeah. This is it. Just like Michael Jackson said, this is it, bro. This is freaking it. Okay, now we got the wave freaking function, baby. This is where quantum mechanics get hold on, I need to check something real quick. Alright, I'm back. Okay. Topic 5. The wave function. Develop and look at its underlying structure. We adapt the latter approach here and see how quantum mechanics can be expressed in terms and developed from a small set of underlying principles or postulates. It should never be forgotten, however, that these postulates have been developed on the basis of experimental evidence of the type described in topic 4. They are clever statements that, when unwrapped, account for observations. In this topic, we will establish the postulates that relate to selecting and blah blah blah. Okay. Postulate 1. Postulate 1. The wave function. Quantum mechanics acknowledge the wave-particle duality of matter by supposing that rather than traveling along a definite path, a particle is distributed through space like a wave. So a particle is basically a wave, not the wave you're surfing on like on a hot summer day. The mathematical representation of this wave is called a wave function, psi. Wait, isn't psi like Gangnam Style? Alright, psi. Or psi 5, yeah, okay. A principal tenet of quantum mechanics is that the wave function contains information about all the properties of the system that are open to experimental determination. This discussion is summarized by the first postulate of the quantum mechanics. Alright, postulate 1 of the quantum mechanics. Postulate 1. The state of the system is described as fully as possible by the wave function. So psi and R1, R2, and etc. Where R1 and R2 are the locations of the particles and T is the time. Okay. Where was I? The wave function, psi R1, R2, T is called the time-dependent wave function. Okay, so we have some different wave functions here. If the wave function does not depend on time, it's within psi and R1 and R2, and called the time-independent wave function. Haha, that's pretty funny. Alright, in the most of the introductory topics, we shall we shall concern with the system that consists of a single particle and do not vary with time, so the wave function is denoted by R, where R is the location of the particle. In simplest application, the system is one-dimensional, so the wave function is simply a function of x, and we write it psi x. For simplicity, we often denote the wave function and the plane letter psi. So, there are two approaches to the formal introduction of quantum mechanics. One is to see the theory gradually emerging from the works of Planck, Einstein, Heisenberg, and Schrödinger, and Dirac, in which experiment and intuition together determine the form of the theory. The other approach is to stand at the point in the time at which the theory has always been, what? Don't be alarmed at the, what? Am I missing something? No, wait. The wave theory of light, in which the square of the amplitude of the electromagnetic wave in a region is interpreted as the intensity, and therefore in quantum terms as a measure of probability of finding a photon present in the region. Alrighty. Okay. Probabilities and probability densities. The Born interpretation of the wave function focuses on the square of the wave function if phi wave function is real, or the square of modulus. So wave functions on the second square is complex, where wave function with an asterisk is complex conjugate of the wave function. Postulate 2. For a system described by a wave function, psi r, the probability of finding the particle in the volume element d delta what in the shit t at r is proportional to the Born interpretation of the wave function. Okay. Oh God. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Wait. There's two postulates too. What? Oh God, I mean, I'm too tired of this, but I'm gonna read a little bit later. For now, I'm gonna do this. Give me a moment. This again. Oh. What? Bro, they're not this shit again, man. What? QAR code has this mine. Let me. Okay. Brother, what? Some technically difficulties. Sorry about that. Sorry for body rocking. Bro, wow. Come on. Laptop. Oh my god. You're not you when you're hungry. Bro, what the? Let me log out, log in then. Stupid piece of. Oops. Oh my. Oh, I haven't. What? Alright. Now it should work. Should. Boom. Bam. Okay. Now you're pissing me off, bro. Trying to make this shit work, bro. Wait. But what the? Can I please now? Or QRR expo? Doesn't make any sense. Alright. Oh my god, please. I just want to stream. Just can I please? This shit doesn't even. Oh! Annoying. How in the hell do I lag out from lag out? There we go. Sign out. Yes, I want to sign out. And I want to sign in again. Boom. Should be like this. Probably. Yep. Now it should pretty much work. If I'm lucky, that is. Yes. Brother, what the hell do you want? Yo, what's up, man? You got a really long ass username. D2M, what's up, man? D2M. Welcome. I'm trying to make this work, but I can't make this work, bro. Some stupid QR. I'm from United States. Yeah. What about you? No, I want to mirror my stream. This one I want to mirror. Calm down first, later. Your works better. Yeah, I'm trying to figure this out, man. I don't. Maybe I have to reset my whole. Oh yeah. I'll try to reset my whole my iPad. I'm from India and you look like Indian. No, I'm actually I'm Spanish. So yeah. I get that a lot. I get that a lot. Yo, what's up, man? What's up, Rishal? Welcome, welcome. I'm trying to do something. I'm trying to make something work, but I'm like stuck in this process. So I'm trying my best here, alright? It's not the best, but I'm trying. Never mind. Yeah, no problem, man. What the hell do I do? This one? This. Actually, he looks Indian. I'm Indian as well. I'm not Indian! Holy shit! I'm Spanish. But yeah, I mean, I get it a lot, but I'm not. I'm literally not. Oh, thank you for the sub, though. Almost at 50 subscribers. That's pretty cool. So. But yeah, I don't know if it's a compliment or. Oh! Oh! Does it work? Oh shit, it worked! Yes! Yes, I am a genius, bro. Call me a genius because I'm Alba. But you look handsome, bro. I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it so much. You look handsome too. I bet you look handsome, but I appreciate it, man. Oh my god, here we go. Oh my god, man. I just had to reset my whole shit, bro. Okay. Let me see if I can. Boom. There we go. And it should work like this, right? Can you see this? Can you see this? Hey, brother, what's up, man? What's up, Prevail? What's up, Prevail? Welcome. I don't protect. Nah, I don't believe it, man. You're beautiful. All humans are beautiful in our own way. So, what they're doing, my actual news. So, okay. So, which off. The purpose of this channel is basically to teach people or like students or those who are interested in chemistry very easily. So I do chemistry content. I do stream also. I stream chemistry. Sometimes I stream like IRL if I want to, but just streaming my college experience. But mostly this is just like a channel where I explain chemistry easily for people, like easy tutorials, easy understandable things, so anyone can learn chemistry. And it's my goal to learn chemistry of all the world, basically. So yeah, I have a. Oh shit, we hit 50. We hit 50. Oh, never mind. we got one. We got one down. Never mind, man. But yeah, But yeah, I hope you stay here. Can you teach coding? Um, it's not my it's not my field. It's not my field. So it's more like chemistry here. I'm a science student, little weak in chemistry, but studying for medical entrance exam. Don't worry, man. Rishabh, you got it. You got it, man. Just have to log in and do just you got this. Medical entrance. I study medical chemistry, so I can definitely relate. Now it's 50. Oh, it's 50. It's 50. Oh my god. Yo, we hit 50 subscribers. Oh my god. Yo, I appreciate every single 51 of you. This is amazing. 50 subscribers. Oh my god. Oh, this is amazing. But yeah, I teach chemistry to people who are struggling, and yeah, you're all welcome. Honestly, wherever you are in the world, you're all welcome here in the Zenium channel. Thank you, Rishabh. Thank you, man. I appreciate it very much. I appreciate it. I appreciate growing with you all together, so we can become the strongest there is. But basically, I was working on my new video. It's about chair configurations, which are configuration of cyclohexane. So yeah, so I've just been working with this basically. So casually working on my new video. Whoops, why didn't? Okay. So yeah, how do you draw a chair configuration? Pretty much easily. Boom. And then don't draw it like this because it looks like crap. Looks like shit. But yeah. Holy shit, 50 subscribers. That's incredible, bro. Are you serious? Just disconnected my shit. Lagging, yeah, I know, Rishabh. I know. It's not the best setup I have. So yeah. Now it's working. Yeah, it's a little lag. Give me a moment, I just have to reconnect this shit. There we go. 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 Screen. Boom. 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 There we go. But yeah, welcome. I appreciate seeing new people. But yeah, I'm just like working on my new video about chair configurations. So after stream, I'm gonna definitely record myself, and then I just have to edit, and that's basically it. Okay, so we have a step-by-step and step-by-step also, and the equatorial, the axial. All right, placing groups on chairs. So from basically this to this. And yeah, so we also have like this one. Is my mic working? Hello? Okay. Never mind. Oh, there we go. Okay. And then we have easy tutorial how to do that. In there. and practice problems like we always do. If you've seen my other videos, you see what I mean. Like I always put practice problems at the end of my video to like really simulate how the exam is gonna be if you're gonna have that problem. But yeah, it's gonna be a chill workshop, just finishing my video, and yeah, I'm talking to you guys. See, some water. Okay, so basically, it's gonna be like this. This one is good. Step by step is good enough, right? Yeah. Yeah. This one is good. This one is bad. Probably like. This, yeah. Oh, we gained 51? What? Since when? What the hell? Alright. And we're going fast now. Alright, okay, so, let me concentrate. Let me actually concentrate, like, we're growing really fast. Why isn't my alert working? I don't know why. Apparently my alerts doesn't work. I don't know why, but yeah, I need to fix that. Anyway, holy shit, 51. 51 subscribers, man. This is giving me so much motivation. Your audio isn't synced well. Your audio isn't synced well. I mean, it's working perfectly on my end. Just have to, you have to reset the stream. Like, go in and out. Then it will be better. Yo, why is my... It's like delay. Okay, let me check, yeah. Why is... Okay, can someone like try to like unsubscribe to see if the alert's working or something? Because I have no idea why this shit doesn't work. Because I want to get notified if something happens, but I don't know why I can't do that shit. Now it's saying all perfectly. Why does this work, bruh? Wait. But this is some annoying piece of shit. Like, I'm trying to. Do I have to have it open? What the f? Are you using Botrix plus OBS? No, I'm using Streamlabs and plus OBS. Like, when I tested here, it worked. Okay. Yeah, it should work like this, but. Oh, what the hell, man? I have to. Maybe it works now? Probably. Whatever, man. It will be nice, but I don't know what the hell is going on with this. Okay. Let me read. So, alright, let's see what happens. Nothing happened, but we gained one more subscriber. Apparently, what the hell? I have. Now it works. Okay. Now it works. 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 Okay, it's very delayed though, but whatever. Okay, it works now. Nothing. No. It worked. It worked. It worked. It worked. Thank you for the sub, man. I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it. I appreciate it, man. Thank you so much. Okay, we're gaining so... Yeah, it works, finally. I was like, why doesn't this shit work? Like, I'm just stuck with this. Anyway, like, can we chill on the subscriber, like, count right now? Because we're gaining pretty much fast right now. Like, we just hit 50. We're already at 52. Like, what the hell? You guys are amazing, but... Like, calm down, bro. Shit. Okay, so gonna have to do this. I had this one on my script right here. Yep. This one is better. But now I appreciate the support, honestly, in the chat. Like, you guys have my heart. And you guys just rock. But we have 52! 52, man! This is absolutely incredible. 52 subscribers. This is giving me like a boost of motivation to keep going off my studies. You do sketch too? What do you mean by that, sketch? Like draw or like doodle, or what do you mean by sketch? Like just sketching? I mean, I like to draw sometimes, but I did in one period I had a very like an era where I drew a lot. But now, after my college and all that shit, I just didn't have time for anything. So I'm draw. Yeah, I do draw sometimes. I do draw sometimes, but not like regularly like I did before. So as you can see, I like to doodle stuff right here, like me, and yeah, but I like to draw a lot. And chemistry is basically a lot of drawing molecules. So yeah. Oh yeah, and if you haven't joined the Discord down below of the description, like the small character in Never Draw It Like This slide and thumbnails. Yeah, I mean it's something unique, something unique of my channel. So bring out my personality more, being myself, So it's pretty cool to have some non-AI shit on my thumbnails. So yeah, I'm keeping it 100% authentic. But yeah, man, I love to draw, honestly. When I have time for like free time, I just draw. And like I said, I had a period where I was an artist. I drew commissions, and I drew my friends. I drew everyone. Like, I love to doodle and draw, but now I'm just like, I don't have like the time and to draw. So that's why I came up with an idea. What if I can study, but at the same time also do YouTube? So I'm just gonna stream me study. So that's pretty much a big hack for me, and it also like improves my oral abilities to talk with other people. So yeah, and I've never seen a chemistry streamer before on YouTube or anything, like nowhere else. So that's pretty cool. So I might be the first. I might be the first. So but yeah, man, I appreciate you being here. Honestly, it's so fun to talk with the chat while I like do my stuff, because then I like don't. Actually, I did stream and study once, and I will do it again. Then I will become stable. Right now, dealing with a lot of things. Nah, Rishabh, I'll wish you the best of the best. What you're dealing with right now, and hopefully it will be better as time goes on. And you definitely got it. Like, never give up, and there's always a way, man. So I wish you the best, man. I appreciate you. And like this. That could be fun. Adding my actual and all that. So I'm gonna draw it like this. Boom. Oops. Boom. And but yeah, if you haven't joined the Discord, I suggest you're gonna join that, because we have a lot of things, a lot of upgrades, and just a fun community to be around with. So yeah, and you see all the updates and when I'm live and all that. And also, there's something big coming. So yeah, stay tuned for that. It's gonna be something very big, like a big project I never did before. So it's gonna be something new, but it's definitely something I wanted to do in a long time of something. below. Bounce. Which once moved from the group like this. Should be like this, probably. Bonds. Which are one moved from the group we are drawing. Boom. There we go. Should be like this. Right? Yeah. What am I missing? Boom. Oh yeah, I'm missing this one. Shit. This goes copy, paste, boom. Draw my stuff like this. Something you shouldn't do. Wait, isn't no. Should probably do the same stroke. Pause. 1, 2. This is something you shouldn't draw. So I'm making an example for the viewer to not draw. If I can draw like a lightning bolt, basically. This and this is the things. But yeah, 52 subscribers. I can't actually believe it. I'm still like stunned. Like it's a lot of people. 52? I don't even have water left. Like, imagine 50. Imagine 50. No, wait. Listen here. Listen carefully here. Imagine 50 people in a room. 50! That's a lot. That's a lot of people. Like, if you think about it really hard, 50 people in a class just supporting you, that's a lot. And I really, really appreciate that. But, damn, man. 3 watching? What? No way. Really? Like, the highest I've gotten is like 5. But we're getting there. We're getting there. Don't worry. Don't worry. A classroom size. Exactly. Exactly, Rishav. That's a classroom size, and it's a lot. Like for some people 50 is a bit, but for me it's a lot if you think about it really, really closely and hard. Pause. But yeah, I appreciate it so much. Like I said before, I said it many times, but it's just awesome that people are just supporting my thing I do, and hopefully, yeah, this will all go great. I mean, yeah. Okay, where was I? Do not do this. Never ever draw your groups like this. There we go. Yeah, okay, so we need to see. Same as so basically in simple terms, this one is the same as this one. Wait, what? Wait. I forgot something actually. I forgot to do this. Oops. There we go. Much better. And then we have please check your Discord DM when you have free time. I can just check it now. Don't worry, man. What did you send me? Okay. There we go. No problem, man. Um, trying to do something real quick. Wait. Wait, actually, I should announce in my Discord that we hit 50 subscribers. Wait a minute. I should probably do that. Okay. Um. Holy shit! 12,000 views? Oh my god, I'm 50 subscribers and We did it, man. 50 subscribers. Test one. The Anyway, man, we did it. We hit 50 subscribers. Now we're 52, like I said before. Like, I just want to thank everybody that is a part of the Z community, that is supporting my work, and that is believing that I will achieve what I will dream of with the whole purpose of this channel. It means a lot to me. And yeah, I'm lost for words. Like, honestly, 50 subscribers is a lot to me. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna end now. I'm ending stream now. So it was a fun stream. 20 viewers in total. I'll take that as a win, honestly. And yeah, we just keep growing and growing every day, and it's so amazing. And what the hell do you want me to do? You want me to dance or what the? Nah, bro, I really appreciate it. And yeah, stay tuned for the next video, I guess. And more content to come. And also, there's a big thing coming. And hopefully you're gonna like it. So it's gonna be one of my big projects. And yeah. But until next time, eat well and stay hydrated, right? Stay hydrated, everybody. Stay hydrated. Like, look at my water, bro. Look at my water. Oh shit. Oh, look at my water, bro. There's nothing anymore. I have some creatine though, so I'm ready to get jacked, you know? Feel me what I'm saying?